Hey guys, it's Jodie and welcome back to my channel. It's actually been such a long time since I've last been on here and I missed you guys so much. I hope you guys are doing well. Cut my hair again and kind of dyed it. It was meant to be like a brown color. It's more of an ashy blonde. So we'll see how we go. I did kind of get sick of my long hair. Let's get straight into the video. Today I have a Pure Glow IPL laser hair removal at home treatment. I don't know much about this at all, but it's been trending all over my Instagram and my Facebook. If you watched me, I'm not sure if you know, but I did get my underarms professionally lasered, and that one does take a bit of like time and it's quite expensive as well. I was going to the store booking in appointments, so I thought this at home treatment, and you can do it yourself anywhere, will be very cost effective and efficient, and I can do it like at night when I'm more free. So let's get straight into it. I should have brought a scissors. There we go, it's all good. So opening this up, I have not read instructions, I don't know anything about this, so let's put it together. This is what the front of the box looks like. It's very pretty pink colour. And then if it will open. Finally. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. So this is what I see when I open it. User guide, probably come in handy. Oh my god, there's actually so many. I should probably read up on this before I show you, but that's what we're doing together, I guess. A guarantee card. The main actual device. Oh wow. Bigger than I thought. In the pictures they kind of look small, but yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. Got the pink one. It's where the laser is coming out of. So yeah, it's quite big, so it's like the size of my hand, like that. And we've got a cable cord. Oh my god guys, I'm an actual idiot. There's like no charging required for this because you have to keep it like plugged into the power point. So what I'm going to do is actually do my legs today. And maybe I'll do my arms as well, but probably not now. I do have like a lot of arm hair if you want to have a look. Like they're really long. Can you see them? So that's the same with my legs, but it did say to shave it before you do the procedure. So that's what I've done. And doing a patch test, like I've had it before, so I didn't really do the patch test. Probably not recommended, so you definitely should do a patch test. But like I've had laser like in other parts of my body before, so that's why I'm pretty sure it will be safe. So I'm gonna jump straight into it. So it is plugged onto my power point, and when you plug it in, there is this green flashing light over here. So what you do is just hold that for 1 second. And can you hear that sound? So that's when you know it is on. So it's still green. Just select the setting first. So the chart is here for all the settings. So I'll probably go with setting 3. So, okay, so that's 2. I don't know if you can see, but there's a pink light and then 2 blue lights. And if you press this button, it will go up. So I've got it on 3 blue lights right now, which is probably what I'm sticking with because it's my first time. Once the intensity level is set, move the flash window to the skin and have to make sure that it covers this window completely. So I'm going to move you guys down. So I've moved you guys down a bit, so hopefully you can still see while not being too far away. Okay, let's try this. Whoa, I just pressed that and I felt it. I don't think I'm doing it right. You will see the red indicator light flickering, and then click the flash button. The red indicator light flashing. What does that mean? This is so confusing. Because there's a human body induction sensor. So something should flash. Ah, okay, let me show you. So right now the first light is red and it's not flickering. When it's touching the skin, can you see that flashes? Because it's on my skin. If I release it off my skin, it stops flashing. So that's actually pretty cool. For the longest time I couldn't figure out where the red indicator light was, so it's actually right in front of me. So when I'm touching it, it will flash. Okay, it's actually pretty quick and pretty immediate. So once it's there, it must be flickering or the device will not work. So Trust me when I say that, it is flickering right now. And then once the intensity level is set, move over the window and you'll see the flicker one time after every flash, and the red indicator light will be turned off. Okay, so let's try that. Let's give it a go. Can you see that? Okay, probably this is not the most flattering angle, but you can see when I put it on my skin, this red light here is flashing just over here. So what I do is I press it. Oh, can you see that? I don't really know if I'm doing it right, but what it feels like is like a warm zap. Like I can definitely feel it, but it's not painful, it's just a bit warm. Oh, a bit warmer there. So to the next bit. I'm on setting 3. It's no pain. I mean, it's pretty easy to use, I reckon. What I should have done is brought my laser aid. If you're not covering the whole window, it will not flash, and like on the bone sometimes it's a bit harder. And it does say to avoid UV light after, because must be like too much light. You can see I've got so many hairs. I'm just going to continue with this angle because you've already seen it like that before. Just going to do it here, a bit easier for me as well. And surely this light is not good for your eyes, so probably try not looking at it too much. And I'm already wearing glasses. So I just finished it, so I'm going to turn the machine off. I think you just press this button again. Okay, so that's off. It's actually, it's okay, it's not too warm, so I think that's a good sign. But yeah, when you press that button and it's on that red light, it kind of just zaps your skin. A little bit of heat. So yeah, it feels like maybe like if you're just under the sun, just a little bit of heat, nothing painful, and I only had it on the 3rd setting, so that's probably why. So unplug that now. I mean, that was a pretty quick process, but it is a bit tedious. Maybe you can watch TV, watching Married at First Sight in the comfort of your own home and whenever it's most convenient for you. I can't give much insight at the moment because I literally just unboxed it with you guys and tried it for the very first time. So I will keep you guys updated. Maybe I'll do some videos to show you like any differences, but obviously every time I have to shave beforehand, so maybe I won't shave and then shave it. Like I won't shave, show it, and then shave it and then do it and then see the progress, how it goes. So I was just reading on when the next time to do it is, and it says to use it maybe like 6 to 10 times for the whole cycle. So I'm guessing no plucking, no waxing, nothing like that, so just shaving before you do it. It does say use 1 time every 2 weeks up to 6 times, so probably that's probably what I'm going to do. So every 2 weeks I'm going to do it, so for 6 times, see how that goes, and then afterwards we'll only use it once every 4 weeks up to another 6 to 10 times. So I'm pretty sure I don't need that many times, and we'll see. So that was my little mini unboxing, review, first impressions, whatever you would like to call it, of the Pure Glow IPL hair removal device. It does not have to be this bright, it could be literally anything, and believe me, once you start looking at these, all the other companies will bombard your newsfeed, your Instagram with their like sponsored ads, and you can just pick any of them, whichever one's the cheapest. So this one was 50% off, which is why I got it. But I will definitely let you guys know how it goes, either probably in the description bar below or in a new video. So probably let me know which one you would prefer, and I'll probably stick with that one. I'm just really glad that I get to share this journey with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also press that subscribe button down below to join my little YouTube family. I would love to have you back, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.